Hello guys, welcome back to Yasemin Coach. Welcome to Yasemin Coach. It's Yasemin. So today's video is gonna be drawing a realistic robin. So let's get started. Wait, stop! Did you like, subscribe, and turn on the notifications? No? Okay, you gotta do it in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, that's great if you did it. Okay, so the first time I'm going to be sketching the head. Yes, the head. Sketch the head like that. Just slowly. Okay, I'm done sketching the head. I'm just sketch the body. I'm just sketching the wood of it now. Slowly. Like that. Okay. Okay. Just like that. Okay, slowly. Like that. Okay. And then, okay, wait. And then I'm gonna be adding another wood right here. Slowly, like not that fast, okay. And then I'm gonna be adding it some flowers like that on the tree. Okay. So this is a fat robin bird, guys. It's so cute. Comment what's your favorite animal. My favorite animal is cats, because they're so cute. Oh my gosh, I love them so much. Okay, by the way, don't mind my hand because I was doing an artwork, guys. Sorry. You can see white things and drops. Okay, like that. Okay, guys, so I'm done sketching it. I'm just adding just a little bit in here. Okay, like that. Adding it to the head of the bird like this. Okay, I'm going to be adding it flowers too. And then I'm going to be coloring. It's so beautiful coloring them, guys. Okay. So guys, please comment if you want any tutorials, guys. Because I can make you tutorials. Don't worry. So I'm just going to add it just like that. Just a tiny bit of it. Yeah, just adding some tiny flowers into it. And wood. So I'm done. I'm adding flowers onto it, guys. Oh, okay. Just like that. Okay. Like just like that. Okay. Like that. Okay. And then we are gonna be coloring it orange and gray, and the head is gonna be black, guys. This is how robins look like. I don't know if some of them has another color. I just saw another color of it in the picture. Okay, so and then I'm gonna be adding flowers, pink flowers onto the tree like that, just slowly. Okay, like that, slowly. Oh my goodness. Okay. Sketching the bottom flowers. So guys, I'm sorry if you can't see the lines really good. So I just made it not that invisible, because when it's invisible, like when it's so invisible, you cannot sketch it so good, guys. That's the purpose. Just like that. Okay. Wait a second, just like that. Okay. Why am I keep repeating? Okay, wait a second. Okay, whatever. Just like that, and slowly. Okay. Not too fast. Okay, slow. Just slowly. Okay. I guess I'm now coloring the mouth of it, guys. Coloring the mouth. Yeah. And then we are gonna be coloring the skin. So the first step, I'm gonna coloring the mouth of it. Okay, wait, just getting some colors. Okay, just like that. Okay, slowly and steadily. Okay, I'm just gonna add the eyes. Okay. Just like that. And then we're gonna be adding a little bit of white on top of it. Wait. Let me just shake my correction pen, guys. You can use correction pen, guys. Or you can use white jelly pen. Gel pen, yes, gel pen. Okay, adding my correction pen. Just like that. Slowly. Okay. And down. Okay. It's trying to make a bird noise. Okay, whatever. Okay, and then we're gonna be coloring it. So guys, I'm coloring the head. I added a little white on his eyes like that because it has it. It has a white. Yeah. Okay. We're gonna be coloring the wings. Just like that. Slowly. Looks so cute. Okay. And we're gonna be adding a little bit of brown to it because it has a brown and grayish color. Okay. Okay. Just like that. And slowly, slow. Okay. Like that. Okay, wait. Adding brown. Okay, adding white so they blend well. Slowly, slowly. So I'm coloring this guy. So the first step, we're gonna be slowly adding orange into it. If you add it too hard, it won't blend colors. And on top of his chest, there's a little bit yellow, guys, because there's sun coming on it. That's why. So I just took my yellow. Okay. Just like that. Wait, this yellow isn't good. Okay. This one's good. Okay. So guys, I'm done doing the wings and the body. As you can see, there's a darker in the bottom. So I'm coloring the legs. I colored the tail too. Oh yeah, if you want to see it. Yeah, look at it. Okay. I'm just doing the leg. Don't mind the leg being long, guys. It's because the feet is on the tree. See, like that. Okay. I'm just coloring the tree slowly, like that. Okay. Coloring the on top of it, right here. Okay, like that. Slowly. Here, there's a stick. Okay. And then we're gonna be coloring the top of it too. So guys, I'm coloring the flowers now. And then I'm gonna be adding them dark shades and lighter shades, guys. So okay. So we came close to the end of the video, guys, and I hope you like this video, guys. And yeah, I guess we'll see you next time. Goodbye.